Yo, back at you with another unboxing. Got another jersey here. It was something I saw with my eyes that I spy. But, you know, last year they dropped this jersey in white, and this year they did it in black. And I think the white one is sold out, just like the black one did. But they restocked the black one, so I had to hurry up. Well, really just in my size, so I had to hurry up and get it. And there you have it. It is the Dwyane Wade Miami Heat, Miami Vice jersey. You know, just going by the font here and the color blocking, of course. Miami, you can just put Vice right there. But man, I was like, wow, that is nice. I see why it's sold out. You know, this is what do you call it? A Nike Connect jersey, and it's also their city version for 2018, Miami Heat city version. They also have shorts that go with these. I might check those out later, but as I stated before, you know, you download the Nike Connect app, and you scan this patch. It'll tell you everything you want to know about the Miami Heat, the roster, the dates they play, and other things. So, as far as the quality, it's still on top. Look at that. That's some nice color blocking there. Dwyane Wade, of course, with your NBA logo at the top. This is a swingman jersey. As I stated in previous videos, swingman jerseys have a really nice quality to them. That's why I don't mind buying them. I mean, usually when I buy jerseys, I always buy authentic jersey. But these are so nice, I really don't even mind. But this is Dwyane Wade's last year, so I figured, why not? Why not? You know? If you have any questions, let me know below. This is the Miami Heat City Edition Swingman.